This is David, you're watching Btekt, and welcome. And this video is sponsored by Direct Mobiles. Check out the best mobile deals at directmobiles.co.uk. Today, Huawei confirmed that they will be releasing the P40 series on the 26th of March. They dropped a video on Twitter which showed what looked like the camera bump for the P40 Pro and with the hashtag visionary photography, which points towards what we all suspect, that Huawei will be going all in with the cameras for the P40 Pro. It's usually around about this time of year that I'll be looking forward to heading off to Paris to enjoy the event and to get up close and personal with the new devices. But thanks to this bloody virus that's going around, it seems like Huawei will be forgoing the big event and releasing the phone via the internet and social media channels. It seems like the virus really is hitting the mobile industry hard. Well, I guess it's the same for all international business, but we've already seen the cancellation of MWC. Sony, who usually launch their flagship device at MWC, were forced to do an online launch via YouTube. And although it's not due until May, Google have also cancelled their I/O Developers Conference. And I'm sure that many more will go the same way this year as well. In 2020 so far, there's been very few populated launch events. Really disappointing. I was looking forward to going to Paris for the event, but considering the global situation at the moment, Huawei have done the right thing. If you could say that there was winners out of all of this, then it would be Samsung. They managed to release their S20 series just before the virus really took hold and just before the cancellation of MWC, meaning that they got all of the exposure that they wanted while all of their competitors have not. Hundreds of YouTubers pile into these events to get hands-on with the devices, and that's just not happened to anyone but Samsung. The top brass have really got to be feeling good about this year. On the 26th of March, we can expect a photography-focused smartphone from Huawei that will rival the Galaxy S20 Ultra. We expect a new Sony-made 52-megapixel sensor that should be even larger than the sensor that we've seen with the S20 Ultra, which is the biggest that has ever been put into any smartphone. There will also be a 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, which is great for capturing the fine detail that you would get if you were shooting an ultra-wide-angle shot, especially with landscape shooting. The time-of-flight sensor will make a return, and hopefully they've improved the software even further. But interestingly, we're hearing reports now that the P40 Pro will come with 2 zoom lenses. The first will zoom from 1 to 3 times optically, and then zoom up to 100 times with a digital optical hybrid. Past 10 times and then the periscope zoom will kick in. This lens manages to get an even longer optical zoom range by using mirrors to bounce the light down and across the device to where the sensor is. And we are hearing that the P40 Pro will be able to zoom up to 100 times. Now, this is something that their main rival, the Galaxy S20 Ultra, can already do, but it has to be said the pictures at that zoom range with the Ultra are not really that usable. To be honest, I expect a similar kind of performance from the P40 Pro, although it will be really interesting to see which one performs better at that ridiculous zoom range. With 5G devices being launched left, right and centre by all the major brands, including Huawei, it's almost certain that they will have a 5G version of the P40 series phones. It is said to be using the Kirin 990 5G chipset, just as the recent Mate XS. There's also rumours that we will see a battery that uses graphene in its construction, and it's expected to be in the range of 5,000 plus mAh. But everything is just rumour and speculation at the moment. We'll just have to wait and see exactly what Huawei release. There have been rumours of a premium edition P40 Pro, which will have an even more powerful camera than the normal Pro version. I guess this could be a possibility, but I do hope that it's not just one of those editions that they only release in China. But anyway, we only have to wait to the 26th of this month to find out. Put it in your diaries and make sure you're subbed to Btekt, as we'll have full unboxing videos and hands-on videos as soon as the devices are launched. And of course, when you're ready to buy your new phone, make sure you check out the Direct Mobiles website, the best place to look for your new phone, as you can compare all of the available deals with all of the different networks right there on the one website. And they have over 24 years of award-winning customer service, so you really are in good hands. The link is in the video description below, or search directmobiles.co.uk. And check out the Btekt Amazon shop if you're looking for the latest tech and accessories. Everything there is recommended by us. The Btekt Amazon shop is definitely worth checking out. Okay, more videos tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media. I'm David, this is Btekt.